looks like the colors begin to bleed into one another, and then eventually it turns completely white. And I remember seeing that and thinking, well, that's a little bit like a magic trick. But I mean, for now, I've fallen in love with science communication and outreach, public engagement, and it means that I get to talk about this stuff and be in this room occasionally. So for now, this is where I'd like to see myself.
A newly discovered comet would be visible to the naked eye as it shoots past the Earth and the Sun for the first time in 50,000 years. The comet is called C2022E3ZTF after the Zwicky Transient Facility, which first discovered it passing between Jupiter in March of 2022. So guys, welcome here at Universal Narratives. The comet is made C2022E3 will make its closest approach to Earth before possibly leaving our solar system forever. From cities such as Atlanta and New York, the comet will be visible for most of the night because it is circumpolar, which means it is permanently above the horizon. The comet is made of ice and dust, emitting a greenish aura and has a diameter of nearly a kilometer. According to its scientists, provided that the night sky is not too illuminated by city lights or the moon, it will be easy to spot with a pair of binoculars or even with the naked eye. Although this comet is smaller than others that pass the Earth, such as Neowise in March of 2020 or Hale-Bopp in 1997, the fact that it will come closer to our planet will make it more visible. Since it was invisible to the unaided eye, people were not only able to view the comet through binoculars at its perihelion. However, as per a report by Space.com, if it continues its approach with the same bright green glow, it might be possible to see it with the naked eye against the dark night sky. Its origins are most likely the Oort cloud, a theorized vast sphere surrounding the solar system, and the last time it passed the Earth was during the Upper Paleolithic period. Since then, it has spent most of its life at least 2,500 times more distant than the Earth it is to the Sun, according to Thomas Prince, a professor of physics at the California Institute of Technology. According to the video by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, Northern Hemisphere observers shall have the best shot at viewing the rare comet in the northwestern morning sky ahead of dawn. The Planetary Society says, for those without a telescope, it may appear as a faint greenish smudge in the sky rather than a bright object, and isn't likely to have a dramatic visible tail we saw on Comet Neowise in 2020. Since the brightness of comets is extremely unpredictable, it is best to be equipped with binoculars or a telescope for increased chances of spotting and getting a clearer view of the rare green comet in the sky. As the extraterrestrial icy visitor is fleeting past Earth after nearly 50,000 years, this means the last time it reportedly came close to our planet was in the Upper Paleolithic Age, during the Ice Age. At the time of its discovery by a wide-field survey camera at the Zwicky Transient Facility, the celestial body was in Jupiter's inner orbit and was thought to be an asteroid. Later, C2022E3ZTF was confirmed to be a comet due to its rapid brightening when it moved from the planetary orbit through the solar system. The green glow isn't unique to this comet, although it is an interesting feature. The phenomenon is thought to arise from an interaction between light from the Sun and diatomic carbon. Diatomic carbon is an unstable, gaseous form of the element in which the carbon atoms are bonded together in pairs. When diatomic carbon is excited by ultraviolet rays, it gives off light, resulting in the green coma that has been seen surrounding the nucleus of the comet. However, ultraviolet light can also cause diatomic carbon to break down. This, experts say, explains why the tail of the comet is not green. The comet is in the north of our skies, currently close to Polaris. The poles start directly due north, said Jake Foster, a Royal Observatory astronomer. The comet is best viewed after midnight when it reaches its highest point in the sky. It will make a significant distance across the sky from night to night as it makes its way towards the constellation of Taurus over the coming weeks. Foster added that there were various free stargazing apps that could pinpoint the comet's location to make the task easier. With a pair of binoculars or a small telescope, you should be able to spot the comet as a faint green blob, he added. If you are lucky and your skies are particularly dark, you may even be able to see one of its vast tails, too. So this is all for today, and at the end of this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to not miss any update.